Alright, quick update. My phone is charging. Forgot to charge it last night. Got dressed. And now I'm about to go grab my bike and head over to my uncle's house with Dylan to go grab our lawnmower. Because our lawnmower, my uncle borrowed it, and our lawn is actually grown pretty good since the last time we mowed it. So it needs to be done again. So me and Dylan are going to go do that. He's waiting on me, so I gotta go. So, Flora and I are almost there, walking to my uncle's house to grab the lawnmower. Regardless if he's home or not, my sunglasses keep falling off my face though. I haven't pushed them up. So, we don't think he's home. Dude, I think I might just like fucking retire these glasses. These glasses are family hardcore. Just in case they're home. Hello, it's P-Funk. Oh, it's scared. There's like wires right here.
Wires?
I don't know.
There, they're back.
That's my Uncle Pete. Is that my Uncle Pete? Yeah, it's my uncle. We have claimed the lawnmower piece.
Just make like fucking brooms and donuts.
Oh, jeez. Alright, so we claimed it back. And now we're gonna go do our lawn. Just did the back lawn. This is the aftermath of it. Looks a lot better. Now we're gonna do the front lawn here in a minute. Probably gonna start off. I got to check out the lights in the front lawn. Anyways, pretty much that. So, after a day of whatever I got on film, ending it with another bonfire. Whatever I got on film. Dude, I don't even know what I filmed today. I'll mix and match. Alright, so just got done uploading the video, and now I'm about to import the footage of what I got today, and yeah, closing the laptop for the night. So anyway, yeah, the fire is all done with as well. So that does it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new for the latest content. Click like if you enjoyed, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.